YouTube, what it is, what it do. We is back at it again with another POV video. I ain't gonna lie, these POV videos, y'all niggas have been like crushing them. Like I'm getting like 1K every fucking POV video. And I really like that y'all enjoying these because they're really easy to make. I like these videos and it's just perfect. Like everything about these videos is perfect. But yeah, we haven't did anything crazy to the car. She looking beautiful though. Bro, my hood, everything is starting to bubble up. You see there, I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Look in the back on the spoiler. It's just peeling. But I got something for that. But nothing really has changed. But we got a lot of change coming. I'm talking like crazy changes. Whole lot of shit been happening to the car. You know, ups and downs, you know, just maintenance issues. But, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna get it together. But, y'all probably wondering, like, why you got this shit on today? Like, what's up? You feel me? I got the keys too, but, it is my homie birthday today. So, finna head to Raleigh. I gotta do some quick pit stops, so that's why I'm doing this video. You know, just drive around, get out the POV, and then I gotta head up there. So, y'all really getting 3 videos, like, this whole day I'm recording, like, nonstop. But, yeah. No crazy, you know what I'm saying? Crazy stuff going on. Do gotta give y'all a, daggone cold start. I forgot the word. I was like, what the hell this shit called? But hey. Yeah. And I've been reading you guys' like comments and stuff. And y'all was like, you know what I'm saying? Basically saying like, yo, use your D1, D2, and D3. And I was like, as I was driving after the videos, I started using them. And like, they do make my car pop more. Like my car pops way more. It's just way better. So I was like, let me start doing them. So, yeah, we're gonna get on to the drive. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get on the road. And yeah, we're just gonna get lit. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. They get into it, let go. So we is back. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I pulled up to a little ghetto ass gas station. I did not know how the fuck, they talking about select the grade. I ain't know what the fuck to do. So you feel me? We went ahead and just put regular 87. I don't really use 89 and I don't use 93. So we just gonna go with 87. Cause a nigga trying to save the money and some fun, but yeah, she was halfway full, so might not take as much. I don't know. We're gonna see. Probably gonna take like 20, 30, 40. Not a whole lot. Oh, yep. On to $21. Damn. They got stuck. Make sure you got that wiggle that been in there. Yoink, 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 yoink. I guess that's how you do that shit. Alright, now I'm gonna really catch y'all niggas when I get on the road, so yeah. YouTube, I'm back. And it is raining. So I got a title for the video, nigga. Rainy POV, stupid ass, but yeah. I know y'all was saying in the last video, oh, you know what I'm saying, use your ears and shit like that. I would've, but yeah, it's fucking raining and shit. I might drive in D3 though. Y'all probably can't even hear no pops or none of that cool shit like that. Cause it is raining. I'm gonna try to roll down my window and let y'all hear something. Let y'all get a glimpse of what it sound like on a light day. But yeah, I do gotta meet up with my homeboys and shit, but I wanted to drive around and get this first part of this video. Well, first part of this segment. Cause bro, y'all niggas been going crazy. Like bro, I've been gaining subs like like crazy, bro. Y'all been showing hella love, bro, and I really appreciate that. Like, my last video did good. My last POV video did good. Like, my POV videos, y'all niggas love them. And any questions y'all got, anything I have, mod-wise, y'all want me to drop a video on everything that I've got or everything I'm going to get, or like my whole list, because my car is nowhere near done. Like, I got so much stuff to really show and bring to the channel. Cause this ain't the end, bro. Like I said, we're trying to reach 500 subs by December. And we're going to reach that goal in the name of Jesus Christ. So yeah. Oh my God, bro. This nigga gonna pull out right in front of me? Fucking weirdo. Fucking F word. Well, yeah. I peeped y'all love the videos, so like I had to drop another one. On a what day? On a light day. I want to try to roll down my window a little bit. But it ain't been no like red lights. But yeah, this is a really good ass car. For anybody that wants this car or was thinking about getting a Honda Accord. Personally, I like the coupes better than the sedans. The coupes look way better than the sedans. Especially like the 26, the 9th gen? They look way better. I got the 8th gen, which still looks good. But you know what I'm saying? The 9th gen, obviously, Apple CarPlay and all that. But I still fuck with it, bro. It's still hard to me, regardless. But yeah, this is one of my first cars that I wanted. Because it was just too hard, bro. It was just too dumb. It was too stupid. Yeah, we're gonna roll down the window a little bit so I can see it is raining. We're going to D3. Now y'all were like, shift gears, shift gears. I am, nigga. And also, guys, I figured out how to make my car pop more. Like, back then I would just let go of my gas, but now I officially like know how to make it pop more. Some of y'all were telling me to get a head cam too, so I am gonna get that. All right, y'all. It started raining hard again, so I had to roll up my window. But we in D3 and shit. I could tell a huge difference. You can obviously hear the oozy hoos. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna at least pull up my sunroof and these off a little bit. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Straight, nay, gate. Oh shit. But yeah, man. You feel me? Y'all niggas just been chilling. Been trying to get videos out. Been trying, bro. Like, school is really fucking with me, bro. Like, that shit's stopping me from doing what I want to do. But we almost out of there, bro. Damn. Niggas new windshield wipers. What the fuck? Yeah, bro, school really stopped me from doing what I want to do. But fuck that shit, man. I'm gonna keep going. So tell Minimal to fucking sponsor me, bro, please. And we got the, I don't know what these three is called. I think they're called like the enchiladas threes or some shit like that. But yeah. And bro, tell me why my fucking, bro, I was driving one time, right? It was like a couple days ago. My fucking check engine light came on, bro. I was so fucking scared, bro. I was like, bro, what the fuck, bro? And then it turns out it was my spark plugs. I had to get my spark plugs changed. Like 4 of them were like fucked up. So we had to get them changed, but we back in now. All we got now is the tire pressure sensor. I'm gonna have to get some more tires very soon. very, very soon. Oh my God. I wish y'all could hear these pops like I hear them, bro. This ain't like no cutting up. This is like a chill, rainy POV video. I'm glad, ain't gonna lie, I'm mad that it's raining, but I'm glad that it's raining because I ain't had no title for this video. But now that it's raining, rainy POV, on God. Can I at least crack the window? I need rain guards. Oh, also, yeah, one other thing. Y'all was talking about my, I'm really wanting to put this. Y'all was talking about my radio. Y'all was, I think one of y'all was like, what was that, rattling? And when I'm like at high speeds, I was wondering what the rattling was too. Like, you can hear it now. And somebody in the comments had mentioned it, and I was thinking about it too. I'm like, damn, like, I think it may be a missing, like, not a missing screw, but like a loose screw. And every time I'm reaching like hard, damn, I can't even fucking talk. Damn, Josh. Every time I reach high RPMs, it starts rattling. Cause I thought it was my side bags over there, but somebody said the radio, and I was like, damn, I think it is the radio. So I was like, shit, it may be the radios. But yeah, that's all I had to say. I'm gonna try to get it fixed. This whole car's a project. That's why I like it. Like, it ain't no end, bro. We just gotta keep fucking getting this shit done. I gotta post for a thumbnail. Stupid ass. Look. Rainy POV looking at. Bro, I wanna roll my fucking windows down, bro, but damn, the rain too hard. Like my dick. What the fuck with that? Motherfucking astro fell out the sky. Alright, fucking rain getting on me and shit. I'm doing this for y'all. This is the second video I done been in some fucking rain. Fucking around with y'all. Green light, pistol in my penis don't feel right. I've been up there Henny on that goddamn fucking rain on my damn head and shit. But yeah, I gotta go to Sheets and meet these niggas up. And that's probably why I'm gonna end the video. Cause, bro, like I said, I got 3 videos. So, like, I'm really feeding right now. Like, I'm trying to get this 500 subs, bro. And y'all be killing that like button, too. I forgot about that shit. Y'all be killing that shit. Trying to race, bitch? You don't want that smoke, bitch. You don't want that, you don't want that smoke. Stupid ass hoe. You don't want that, you don't want that smoke. Y'all, I'm in a good mood, so if it's like y'all concerned about me, like, why is this nigga so hyper? No, I do not do crack. No, I do not do ketamine, K2, or crack. I don't do none of that shit. I'm just in a good mood. Y'all probably wondering, like, why they crackhead that nigga acting like this? Nigga weird as hell. I know my new viewers like, bro, hell nah, not subbing to this black ass nigga. Bro. Then I gotta drive an hour to fucking Raleigh, bro. Any nigga that's staying in NC, y'all know what that is. I can go, right? Hell yeah. I'm tweaking. I know y'all heard them, bro. Ain't no way y'all ain't. Ain't no way the camera ain't pick up them, bro. Them was some elite pops. But yeah, I gotta turn into the shitty deets. In the mini ninks. In the kini ninks. Alright, let me see if I can roll my window down a little bit now. A little bit now. Damn, the rain is crazy. It's going over there though. Nah, that rain too crazy, bro. Shit. This shit coming on my face. I don't even think these niggas here. Shit, fucking rain going dumb. Oh my god, hell no. I'm sorry, y'all. I might have to crack a little bit, not crazy. What the fuck this Cadillac gonna do? I wanna back in. I'm gonna just back in. But yeah. It's fucking raining hard as hell. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Drip. Y'all let me know y'all like it. Like, sub, thumbs up. All that shit. I do gotta get a thumbnail though, so. Stupid ass. But hell yeah.